Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to create GIF files on laptop. So first of all, what you have to do is simply go to the desired location where you want to create the GIF files. Once you do that, what you have to do is identify the file that you want to create the GIF file with. Once you do that, hover over that file and simply right click on your mouse. Now you'll be able to find several options like open, share, open link, manage access, etc. Simply click on the option send to. Now you'll be able to find the options like Bluetooth device, compressed zip folder, desktop, documents, etc. Simply click on the second option, compressed zip folder. Now you can name the folder if you want. Now you can see over here the GIF folder has been created. Simply click on it. Once you do that, you can see over here your GIF file will be opened. Now you can add other files to this GIF file. So like this, you'll be able to create GIF files on laptop. So that is how you create GIF files on laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.